2017, that was the year I started chasing fame through YouTube. Full blast ako noon. Energy, creativity, parang walang limit. I was building a community. At first, it was pure joy. I was expressing myself, creating stories, meeting people. Na-invite na nga ako sa mga iba't ibang YouTube events. But slowly, something changed. My passion started to become money motivation. Hindi na siya magic, naging pressure na siya. Instead of creating from the heart, I started pleasing the audience. Algorithm, views, engagement. Parang kailangan lagi may patunayan. And slowly, I lost my authenticity. I lost my happiness. I lost my identity. Then rock bottom happened. A very dark chapter na ilang tao lang ang nakakaalam. It even affected how I perform my 9 to 6 job. But you know what? No regrets. Because that chapter taught me something deeper. This is life. It's just a soul having a human experience. Today, I still create, but this time, not for validation, not for fame. I create with soul. And then, this time, I choose loving myself more than draining myself.
Only love can hurt like this. Only love can hurt like